Hello and welcome to Creative Hub AJ. Today we are going to make planner sticker making in Canva. So let's get started. We will get a custom size of 148 by 210 mm. Now from the elements section we will choose a grid. From Ctrl D we will duplicate the images. Now we will align it. All this from the position, select to horizontally. It will give us a clean and tidy look as it gives a equal space between the frames. Now we will from the element section we will choose shapes. From here I am choosing this one. Like this, I will duplicate it. From the positions I have chosen vertically, so it will form in equal distance like this. Now we will choose some another frames. Now we have completed our first step, that is making the layout. Now we will add the colors and other elements in this. From the element section we will choose some images. Like this. Now we will change the color of other things also. Now we have done with step 2 of filling the colors. Now look how beautiful this planner is looking. It is looking cute, aesthetic and beautiful at the same time. You can decorate it as per as you like. I am liking this way, so I have made like this. You can change according to you. You can download it from here, share, download in the PNG format, and you can print it out also. So for many such amazing content, subscribe to Creative Hub AJ. Thank you.